Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G32, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to access notifications. Then tap on App Settings, click on Most Recent, and select the best option for you. Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps, or Turned Off. In my case, Most Frequent. Over here, you can finally just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. In order to switch them back on, tap on the same switcher again. You can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!